Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PCSN. So today we're going to talk about something that I've never really liked, and that's the new settings app in Windows 11. We've always had the control panel in Windows, the traditional classic control panel where it takes you directly to the devices and things like that. And then over the years, Microsoft has been trying to make things a little easier. And so they've done an overlay on top of that and then added some fancier stuff in the settings app. Now, there is one thing that the settings app is actually useful for. There's a few things, but the one thing that I'm going to talk about today is how to get more information about your disk subsystem. In Windows 11, there is the settings option, and if we click on Start and then we click on Settings, this is our traditional settings app. Now, one of the things that I like to do in here is there's something useful under storage. So you see there's several options here. We're going to go into storage. This actually gives us a pretty good idea of what's going on with our storage. All kinds of storage, whether it's storage spaces, whether it's RAID, whether it's just standard standalone hard drives, SSDs, whatever have you. So right now you'll see here it's calculating some installed apps and stuff like that. And so it tells me how many apps I've got, how many other files, temporary files. So you can enable Storage Sense here. It will automatically clean up your drive on a routine basis. You can go into cleanup recommendations, but that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about storage advanced settings. So let's go in here. So let's go into disks and volumes. So this gives us a lot of information about our disk. Now, why do we need to see this? This is good if you have an SSD drive, like in this machine, I've got an SSD drive, and the C drive is showing healthy. Now, as everybody knows, SSD drives, they do wear over time. Sometimes you'll get some weird issues, almost like you have bad sectors on a hard drive, but SSD drives don't get bad sectors. So this is how you can tell if your SSD drive is healthy. Under local disk, which is a C drive, I see that the file system is NTFS, and I see it's showing as healthy. So if this drive was not healthy, it will not say healthy there, and it will check the wear on the drive and tell us that, hey, it's not healthy drive, it's time to replace it, whatever have you. And also the other interesting thing is we can see that it's also the boot volume, and also it is encrypted, so that's always good to know. So this is an easy way in Windows where you can just go to one place and see if your SSD drive is healthy. If you're having issues with drives, seems like it's a bad drive, you can come in here and it will do its check and it will let you know if it's healthy or not. Of course, you're going to see other partitions on that drive as well, but the only thing we're concerned about is the C drive. That's the main drive. Like I said earlier, if you do go into storage, there is an easy way to set up a cadence of cleanup if you want under Storage Sense, which we'll make a video on another day for that. But hopefully this helps you out. Easy way to check the health of your drive. And you can, of course, do it from PowerShell or command line as well, but this is an easy graphic way to see whether your drive is healthy or not. So until next time, everybody, have a great day and be safe.